Welcome back to my channel Gyan Kosh. Today we are going to discuss question answer of chapter The Sound of Music, class 9, book Beehive, page number 20. Thinking about the text. Question 1. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. First, how old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? Answer. Evelyn was 17 years old when she went to the Royal Academy of Music in London. Second, when was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? Answer. Her deafness was first noticed when she was 8 years old and it was confirmed when she was 11. Question second. When was Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph, 30 to 40 words. Question 1. Who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? Answer. Percussionist Ron Forbes helped Evelyn to continue with music. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. He asked her not to listen to them through her ears but to try and sense the sound in some other manners. Second question. Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Answer. Evelyn, with a hectic international schedule, gives solo performance at regular concerts. Apart from these, she gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also accords high priority to classes for young musicians. Third, answer the question in 2 or 3 paragraphs, 100 to 150 words. First question, how was Evelyn hear music? Answer, Evelyn heard music by sensing the notes in different parts of her body. When Ron Forbes tuned two drums to different notes and asked her to sense the sound without using her ears, she realized that she could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower drum from the waist down. She learned how to open her mind and body to sounds and vibrations. It was sheer determination and hard work. When she played the xylophone, she could sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips by leaning against the drum. She could feel the resonances flowing into her body. On a wooden platform, she removed her shoes so that the vibration could pass through her bare feet and up her legs. She herself said the music poured in through every part of her body. It tingled in the skin, her cheekbones, and even her hair. Part 2. The Sehnai of Bismillah Khan, page number 25. Thinking about the text. Tick the right answer. 1. The Sehnai Pungi was a reeded noisemaker. Answer. The Pungi was a reeded noisemaker. Second, Bismillah Khan, a barber, Ali Bucks transformed the Pungi into a Shehnai. Answer. A barber transformed the Pungi into a Shehnai. Third, Bismillah Khan's paternal ancestors were. Answer. Bismillah Khan's paternal ancestors were professional musicians. Fourth, Bismillah Khan learned to play the Shehnai from. Answer. Bismillah Khan learned to play the Shehnai from Ali Bucks. Fifth, Bismillah Khan's first trip aboard was to answer. Bismillah Khan's first trip aboard was to Afghanistan. Second, find the words in the text which show state Bismillah Khan's feeling about the items listed below. Then mark a tick in the correct column. Discuss your answer in class. Answer: teaching children music, positive. Second, the film world, negative. Third, migrating to the USA, negative. Playing at temples, positive. Getting the Bharat Ratna, positive. The banks of the Ganga, positive. Next, leaving Banaras and Dumron, negative. Page number 26. Answer these questions in 30 to 40 words. Question 1. Why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of the pungi? Answer: Aurangzeb banned the playing of musical instrument pungi because he had a shrill, unpleasant sound. Second, how is Shehnai different from a pungi? Answer: Shehnai has a better tonal quality than pungi. It is a natural hollow stem pipe with holes on its body and is longer and broader than the pungi. Shehnai is in a way an improvement upon the pungi. Question third, where was the Shehnai played traditionally? How did Bismillah Khan change this? Answer: the Shehnai was traditionally played in royal courts, temples and weddings. Ustad Bismillah Khan, an undisputed monarch of Shehnai, brought this instrument onto the classical stage. Next question. When and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break? Answer: Bismillah Khan got his big break in 1938. The All India Radio opened in Lucknow and Bismillah Khan played Shehnai on radio. He soon became an often heard player on radio. He became the first Indian to greet the nation with him Shehnai from the Red Fort on 15 August 1947. Question 5th. Where did Bismillah Khan play the Shehnai on 15 August 1947? Why was the event historic? Answer: on 15 August 1947, Bismillah Khan played the Rag Kafi on his Shehnai from the Red Fort. The event was historical because it was on the occasion of India's independence from British rule. Question 6. Why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a Shehnai school in the USA? Answer: Bismillah Khan refused on one of his students' request to start a Shehnai school in the USA because he would not live away from Hindustan, specifically from Banaras, the river Ganga and Dumeron. Question 7. Find at least 2 instances in the text which tell you that Bismillah Khan loves India and Banaras. Answer: the first instance is when he turned down his students' offer to start a Shehnai school in USA. The second instance is when Khan Saab was asked by Shekhar Gupta about moving to Pakistan during the partition. He said that he would never leave Banaras. Thinking about language. 1. Complete the following sentences beginning with a to verb. Try to answer the question in brackets. First, the school sports team hopes. What does it hope to do? Answer: the school sport teams hopes to win the match. Second, we will want. What do we all want to do? Answer, we all want to go to succeed in our life. Third, they advised the hearing impaired child's mother. What did they advise her to do? Answer, they advised the hearing impaired child's mother to consult a doctor. Fourth, the authorities permitted us to. What did the authorities permit us to do? Answer, the authorities permitted us to construct the building. Fifth, a musician decided to. What did the musician decide to do? Answer, a musician decided to open a school for children. Question second. From the text on Bismillah Khan, find the words and phrases that match these definitions and write them down. The number of the paragraph where you will find the words phrases has been given for you in brackets. First, at home of royal people dash the royal residence. Second, the state of being alone. Answer, solitude. Third, a part which is absolutely necessary. Answer, indispensable. Fourth, to do something not done before. Answer, invent. Fifth, without much efforts. Answer, effortlessly. Sixth, quickly and in large quantities. Answer, thick and fast. Page number 27. Tick the right answer. When something is received, it. Answer, lives again. Second, when a government bans something, it wants it dash. Answer, stopped. Third, when something is considered auspicious. Answer, welcome it. Fourth, when we take to something, we find it. Answer, interesting. Fifth, when you appreciate something, you. Answer, you find it good and useful. Sixth, when you replicate something, you do it. Answer, for the second time. Seventh, when we come to terms with something, it is. Answer, no longer upsetting. Page number 28. Consult your dictionary and complete the following table. The first one has been done for you. Answer, indispensable, both before and after the verb be. Impressed, not before noun. Afraid, not before noun. Outdoor, only before noun. Paternal, only before noun. Countless, only before noun. Priceless, only before noun, both before and after the verb be. Next question. Use these words in phrases or sentences of your own. First, nowadays the internet is an indispensable resource for researcher. Indispensable, underlined. Second, Varun was impressed by my dressing sense. Impressed, underlined. Third, he is afraid of the dark. Afraid, underlined. Fourth, I enjoy the company of my paternal uncle. Paternal, underlined. Fifth, Jenny was showered with countless gifts. Countless, underlined. Sixth, my grandmother gave me a priceless piece of advice. Priceless, underlined. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and press the bell icon.